Safety first, the evolution of car safety technology. In this video, I'm going to show you a few ways your car keeps you safe. Starting from the most basic, going all the way to the most advanced safety technology that you may not even know your car had, so buckle up, because we're starting with number 1. Seatbelts, the foundation of vehicle safety. Seatbelts are the cornerstone of vehicle safety, serving as a fundamental safeguard for drivers and passengers alike. These simple yet crucial restraints play a pivotal role in minimizing the severity of injuries during accidents. By securely fastening occupants to their seats, seatbelts prevent them from colliding with the vehicle's interior or being ejected in the event of a collision. The design and engineering behind seatbelts have evolved over the years, incorporating features such as pretensioners and force limiters to enhance their effectiveness further. Governments and safety organizations worldwide emphasize the importance of seatbelt usage, highlighting its role in reducing fatalities and serious injuries on the road. As the foundation of vehicle safety, seatbelts contribute significantly to creating a secure environment within vehicles, reinforcing the importance of this basic yet indispensable safety feature. 2. Airbags, inflating safety. Airbags stand as integral components in the realm of vehicle safety, providing an additional layer of protection beyond seatbelts. Designed to inflate rapidly upon impact, airbags act as a cushioning barrier between occupants and the vehicle's interior, mitigating the force of a collision. Positioned strategically in various parts of the vehicle, such as the steering wheel, dashboard, and side panels, airbags are tailored to deploy based on the nature and direction of the impact. These inflatable safety devices work in tandem with seatbelts, forming a comprehensive restraint system to reduce the risk of injury during accidents. Modern vehicles often feature advanced airbag technologies, including sensors that assess the severity of a collision and adjust inflation accordingly. Additionally, some vehicles are equipped with side curtain airbags and knee airbags, offering protection in specific impact scenarios. The evolution of airbag technology reflects a commitment to enhancing occupant safety. Government regulations and safety standards mandate the inclusion of airbags in vehicles, underscoring their importance in preventing injuries and saving lives. As vehicles continue to incorporate innovative safety features, airbags remain a crucial element, inflating not just with gas, but with the promise of increased safety on the roads. 3. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, maintaining control. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, emerges as a pivotal technology in the automotive landscape, playing a crucial role in maintaining control and enhancing safety during braking maneuvers. ABS is designed to prevent wheel lockup during hard or emergency braking, a situation that could lead to loss of steering control and extended stopping distances. ABS operates through a system of sensors that monitor the rotational speed of each wheel. When a wheel is on the verge of locking up, the system modulates brake pressure by rapidly and automatically releasing and reapplying it. This pulsating action prevents the wheel from skidding and maintains traction with the road surface. The significance of ABS becomes especially evident in adverse driving conditions such as wet or slippery roads. By preventing wheel lockup, ABS enables drivers to steer the vehicle while braking, ultimately reducing the likelihood of accidents. Government safety regulations worldwide often mandate the inclusion of ABS in modern vehicles, highlighting its status as a standard safety feature. As technology advances, ABS continues to evolve with additional features like electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and brake assist systems, further enhancing overall braking performance. 4. Electronic stability control, ESC, taming the skid. Electronic Stability Control, ESC, stands as a technological marvel in the automotive world, acting as a sophisticated safety net to tame skids and enhance vehicle stability. This system constantly monitors a vehicle's dynamic parameters, including steering input, wheel speed, and lateral acceleration. When it detects a potential loss of control, such as a skid or spin-out, ESC intervenes by selectively applying brakes to individual wheels and, in some cases, adjusting engine power. The primary goal of ESC is to prevent or mitigate the onset of skidding and help the driver maintain directional control. By counteracting oversteer, when the rear of the vehicle slides out, or understeer, when the front of the vehicle loses grip, ESC significantly reduces the risk of a potentially hazardous situation. This technology is particularly valuable during abrupt maneuvers or adverse road conditions, such as icy or wet surfaces, where the likelihood of a skid is heightened. ESC has become a standard feature in many vehicles, and its impact on road safety is profound. It provides an extra layer of protection, complementing traditional safety systems like ABS and traction control. The implementation of ESC reflects a commitment to preventing accidents and improving vehicle stability, ultimately contributing to safer driving experiences for motorists. 5. Collision avoidance systems, a glimpse into the future. Collision avoidance systems represent a transformative leap forward in automotive safety, providing a glimpse into a future where advanced technologies actively work to prevent accidents. These systems integrate a suite of sensors, cameras, and radar technologies to continuously monitor the vehicle's surroundings. The goal is to identify potential collision risks and, in some cases, take autonomous or semi-autonomous actions to avoid or mitigate the impact. One key component of collision avoidance systems is forward collision warning (FCW), which alerts the driver when there is an imminent risk of colliding with the vehicle in front. This warning is often accompanied by pre-crash systems that can autonomously apply the brakes or adjust the vehicle's speed to minimize the severity of the impact. Some systems even incorporate pedestrian and cyclist detection capabilities, expanding their scope to a broader range of potential collision scenarios. Lane departure warning and lane keeping assist are additional features within these systems that monitor the vehicle's position within the lane. They provide alerts or gentle steering interventions if the vehicle unintentionally drifts out of its lane, reducing the risk of side impact collisions. Advancements in technology have given rise to more sophisticated collision avoidance systems that include features like blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. These capabilities collectively create a comprehensive safety net, enhancing driver awareness and responsiveness while actively intervening to prevent collisions. As automakers and technology companies continue to innovate, the future promises further enhancements to collision avoidance systems. Integration with vehicle-to-vehicle, V2V, and vehicle-to-infrastructure, V2I communication systems may enable even more proactive collision prevention measures. The continual evolution of these systems represents a paradigm shift in road safety, ushering in an era where the vehicle itself becomes an active partner in avoiding accidents and ensuring the well-being of its occupants and others on the road. 6. Autonomous emergency braking, AEB, braking without driver intervention. Autonomous emergency braking, AEB, marks a significant advancement in automotive safety, embodying a system that can automatically apply the brakes without direct intervention from the driver. This technology operates by employing sensors, cameras, or radar to continuously scan the road ahead for potential collision threats. When the system detects an imminent risk of a frontal collision and determines that the driver hasn't taken corrective action, it autonomously engages the brakes to either mitigate the severity of the impact or bring the vehicle to a complete stop. The key strength of AEB lies in its ability to react swiftly and effectively in emergency situations, often faster than human reflexes. This feature is particularly crucial in scenarios where the driver may be distracted, fatigued, or unable to respond promptly. AEB systems are designed to work across a range of speeds, making them effective in both city traffic and highway cruising. The adoption of AEB has gained momentum globally, with many automakers incorporating it into their vehicles as a standard safety feature. The technology not only enhances the protection of occupants but also contributes to overall road safety by reducing the frequency and severity of frontal collisions. As AEB continues to evolve and integrate with other advanced driver assistance systems, it exemplifies a step towards a future where vehicles are equipped with increasingly sophisticated technologies to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of all road users. 7. ADAS. Okay, now for some really high tech. Let's talk about Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, and their profound impact on road safety. ADAS is a combination of cutting-edge technologies designed to assist drivers and fundamentally transform the driving experience. These systems include features like automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, parking assist, and driver drowsiness detection. ADAS technologies are proven to reduce road fatalities by minimizing human error, which is responsible for almost all vehicle accidents. They act as an extra set of eyes, helping drivers avoid potential hazards and mitigate the severity of collisions when they occur. A recent study estimated that ADAS technologies could impact 3.59 million total crashes per year, or about 62% of all crashes. Beyond safety, ADAS also enhances driver comfort and convenience. Features like adaptive cruise control reduce the mental and physical strain during long journeys, making the driving experience more relaxing and effortless. Moreover, ADAS can integrate with smart home systems, allowing drivers to control their home devices remotely from their vehicles, making daily tasks more manageable and streamlined. However, it's important to note that while ADAS offers numerous benefits, it also presents certain challenges. Over-reliance on technology, potential system malfunctions, and the high costs associated with these systems can be concerns. Therefore, proper training on ADAS technology is crucial to ensure drivers understand its capabilities, limitations, and how to effectively utilize it for safe and responsible driving. Conclusion. The evolution of car safety technology has been a remarkable journey, with each innovation building upon the last to create safer vehicles. From the fundamental seatbelt to the sophisticated ADAs, the automotive industry's commitment to safety has transformed the way we approach road travel. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further breakthroughs that will make our roads even safer for everyone. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.